Welcome to the last lesson in the bookkeeping course. I'm going to quickly run through everything we've learned and give you a sneak peek into what is coming next. We learned that we do not have to be good at math to keep track of our books or the numbers. That's because we have a template to help us out. When we're bookkeeping, that's just a fancy term for keeping track of the amount of money that people give us and the amount of money that we give to other people. Once we have those amounts all calculated, we put those separate things called transactions into different categories so we can keep track of where the money is coming in from and where all the money is going to. About once a month or once a week, if you are spending lots of money in your business, we run through the 3-step bookkeeping process. Step 1, look at your bank account. Step 2, put those important numbers into the template. And step 3, don't mess up steps 1 or 2. That way, at the end of the year, we have a nice, simple, beautifully formatted table that has all the important numbers that we need for tax time. In the next course, I'm going to teach you exactly what you need to know to get your tax bill as close to zero as possible. Legally, of course. I'll show you which softwares you should use to make everything 100% free, how to connect your bookkeeping template to your taxes to make sure everything goes smoothly and speed up the entire process. And I'm going to walk you through step by step how you can do your own taxes from start to finish. It's the same process I've personally used on hundreds of business tax returns to save clients tens of thousands of dollars on taxes. We've gone through all the vegetables. Now it's time for the meat and potatoes of this entire masterclass. I'll see you then.